Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Igor and today I am gonna show you how to check fuses and switches with a multimeter. Let's start. Some type of fuses I found to show you. Plastic ones are used to protect the wiring and electrical equipment for vehicles. Glass and ceramic tube fuses protects appliances and consumer electronics. The first and easiest way is a visual check of the fuse. Every fuse has a line, it looks like a wire inside. If this wire is a single piece, it means the fuse is working. If we are talking about a fuse like this, here it looks different. And if it burns out, it usually happens somewhere in the middle. And you will see it. However, sometimes it happens the fuse does not work, although it visually looks working. Or, for example, as in this case, you simply do not see what is happening inside. So let's check. Take your multimeter and switch it to continuity check mode. It looks like a Wi-Fi icon. First contact. Second contact. If the multimeter beeps and shows resistance, then your fuse is working. Same principle for glass fuses. All fuses are good. This one is fine too. How to check your fuse without taking it out of the fuse box. In the photo you can see how it will look like in the car. Let's imagine I have something like this here. There are two contacts here. Now we are going to check the switch. There are many types of them. Small, large, side and so on. But they all perform the same function. Let's start with this switch. The multimeter must be in the same mode as it was. Continuity check mode. Now the switch is off. To check it we need to turn it on. The switch works. This switch is smaller but the working principle is the same. Again there are two contacts here. You can use the multimeter probes. I will use a crocodile clip because it is easier to show you. And touch with a multimeter probes the second contact. This one works too. This is a side microswitch. It's a different kind of switch. There are two connection options. Normally open and normally closed. In the first case it is always in working condition and turns off when you click on it. For example, such a switch can be used in a car door. It will beep when the door is open and stop beeping as soon as the door is closed. And the second connection option is completely opposite. When the switch only works when you press it. If we change to another contact it will be normally closed, and when pressed, open. Today I have showed you how to check a switch and a fuse. If you did not know how to do it I hope my video was useful. It was Kotov Fix channel, see you soon.